Comment ça va la famille? Aujourd'hui ça va nickel. Et aujourd'hui ça live sur NTE, mais pas que. Ça live aussi sur tout en fait. Surtout. Parce que là ça avait bugué je crois. Je sais pas pourquoi ça avait bugué mais bon. Hé. Alors. Ok. Je regarde. Aujourd'hui, je serai en live à partir de 17. Allez, c'est parti. J'ai un peu lancé en retard, je sais, mais bon. Euh... Ah bah voilà, c'est remarqué.
Underwater. It's hard to breathe.
Le kaléidoscope
It's safer like this.
tout à l'heure, donc
Just hold
je sais
your
pas
breath.
pourquoi.
We'll be out soon.
Alors, j'ouvre la porte.
We just emerged from water. I really can't figure this place out. Follow me. The higher it is, the better the view.
Ah, la vue est meilleure, hein. Qu'est-ce que je
I like to use binoculars to look
fais? J'aime bien
far.
regarder au loin les
I always
tunnels
see something different.
Vous entendez bien le son ou pas? On va peut-être baisser un peu l'audio du bureau. Ah, c'est bon. Ça va. Alors, du coup... Ah oui, il faut l'analyser avec le kaléidoscope. Ok. Oh là, on dirait Imsama. Il y a beaucoup d'œil, ouais. Ouais. Alors... On va faire la vidéo du coach de l'ergonomie, là. Bientôt. Ah, je suis trop content de vous voir, les gars. Je suis trop heureux. Je préfère aller sur Twitch. Alors... Ah, c'est un clip, ça? Wesh, mon live il s'est coupé ou quoi? Live. Ah là c'est bon. Voilà, c'est bon. Non, mais... Je croyais que mon live il s'était coupé, donc on est bien. En ce qui concerne l'histoire, on va la finir et après on fera un karaoké. Let's go. Je changerai le titre du live, je dirais je chante. Oh, ¿cómo estás? Ah, faut utiliser le kaléidoscope hypnotique du Sharingan. Allez. Allez. Ah, c'est l'ascenseur émotionnel, ça. C'est sûr, c'est l'ascenseur émotionnel. Live chill avec Lucas. Bah, il est là, le tigre. Il est là, le tigre. Il est là, il est là, il est là. Faudrait que je trouve une solution pour faire des lives sur TikTok. Mais il faut que je fasse la demande. Oui. Eh B. Hein? Pourquoi c'est marqué en chinois, japonais là? J'ai pas compris. Ah, c'est de pire en pire. Oh, il y a un chien. Oh, bird. C'est pour ça que c'est dit en japonais. Sur le toit. Je grimpe le tuyau. Et si je marche sur le câble sur le chantier? Ah. Merci Boss Tiger alors. C'est bizarre quand même. Il faut que je déplace le personnage. Je veux bien. Oh. Ah, je peux pas faire demi-tour. Ah. Youpi! Yeah! J'ai regardé de plus près, ok. Compris que ce n'était qu'une simple capsule de bouteille, ok. Attends, on m'entend bien au moins? Parce que le micro... Coucou, ça va? Ah, mais je te connais toi, ça va? Ah, yeah, ça va nickel alors. Je vais couper mon son parce que vous allez m'entendre deux fois sinon. Petit live chill sur NTE. Et après, je sais pas ce que je vais faire. Je sais pas ce qu'il faut faire là. Ah, mais ça bug encore. Déteste quand ça fait ça. Ah bah je vais être obligé de faire un contrôle mage échappe. Hein. Eh. Ah non, c'est bon. Il fallait juste appuyer sur Alt. C'est mal foutu ce truc. Ah, c'est mal foutu. Ah, c'est génial. C'est génial, c'est génial. Yep là. Et Boss Tiger m'a dit que son heure était venue. Ah, c'est triste. Bon bah, 1 minute de silence pour Boss Tiger alors. Ah mince, mince, mince. Si je regarde le stream, ça va pas. Après. T'as eu les mêmes pouvoirs. Intéressant, intéressant. Ouais, ouais, j'ai un message. Ok. Bon, c'est bon. Je suis là. Allez. C'est pénible les cinématiques. Vous voulez que je les passe ou pas? Je pensais que ça suffirait pour qu'on reste ensemble. Ok. On est ensemble et Antoine Griezmann, penalty. On est ensemble et ah, bah c'est triste. Pour... Ah bah c'est triste. Allez, on y va. Hop là. Pauvre Nanali qui va finir en dépression. Rien à faire de ta dépression. Ah, mon personnage il est de retour. Les frérots. Nanali. Ah non, pas encore. Ok. Why not, admettons. C'est pas une organisation si t'es seul, le chef. Allez. Ah. Aïe. Comme ça qu'elle est devenue membre des bonnes. Parfait. Non, pêche à Ebon, ils mettent, ils font travailler les enfants et personne dit rien. Moi je dis ça, j'ai rien. Hé. Ah non, pas lui. Mais il y a beaucoup de gens qui le détestent, lui, apparemment. Hmm. Petit déj, ouais, des pancakes, un petit déj. Ah, mais j'ai pas besoin. Ah, mais. C'est bien, c'est interactif, mais il n'y a pas beaucoup de combats. Bah, c'est parfait alors. Ben. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'on doit faire? Oh, des anomalies. Très puissante, anomalie à jouer. C'est bien, on voit le lore des personnages au moins, donc c'est cool. Moi, je préfère pas passer les cinématiques. Ah les gars, je vous ai dit que j'ai commencé Tokyo Ghoul. Franchement, cet animé, il est vraiment génial. Ah, le retour de Nanali. Ah, j'aime bien le style un peu bande dessinée. En live jusqu'à 19h, les gars. Ah non, pas encore incarné. Ah, le tigre. Wesh. C'est Tigrou dans l'âge de glace, c'est ça? Ah non, c'est pas dans l'âge de glace. Ok. Plus elle garde son âme d'enfant, plus il est facile de contourner Yoho, ok. Cet enfant est assez protégé. Spécialiste fait apparaître la Vananali. Ah, ok. Je vais faire apparaître l'œuvre Nanali. Ah, ça c'est la fausse. J'ai trouvé. Ah, petit. Allez. Boss tigre. Haha. Fou. Hmm. Mhm. 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 Peut-être qu'on n'entend pas trop les voix des personnages. Attends, je vais augmenter le son un peu du... Voilà.
She had no friends, but she didn't mind playing alone.
J'ai augmenté le son, vous entendez là?
She encountered a great anomaly, one that only she could see. She received a blue badge as a family token, learned many things, and even made friends. Or rather, recruited lackeys. The little girl lived happily for a while. She liked to imitate cool fighting moves,
Bah,
jump on walls and climb trees, and
c'est
even murmur
pas
to
très
herself.
grave de toute façon si vous entendez pas trop. L'essentiel c'est d'avoir ma voix.
The grown-ups
Allez,
came up with a way to
les
help her.
adultes avaient
They
trouvé un
didn't know
moyen.
she'd be called a
Et
lion
le
because
reste
of them.
qui...
Her friends, followers, and family members shouted at her and shoved her around, causing her to lose the blue badge. Then, the little girl lost her cool and beat the culprit to a pulp.
Hey, the beating wasn't that bad.
Fair enough. Anyway, the girl was wrongly blamed, deeply hurt, and lost a precious token. When her angry and well-trained fists rained down, she
Okay.
still held back. Perhaps it was because they swung at faces belonging to family. In the end, the little girl lost some things, but found another. She didn't get her badge back, but her Asper abilities awakened. The price she paid for growing up was the disappearance of the anomaly
Hey.
that always stood by her. To make
Ok.
things worse,
Pire encore, ces
memories of that
souvenirs.
anomaly began to fade. Later, her friends moved and went to different schools, and no one would play house with her again. Until an antique store
Il reste
called
1 heure de live, les gars. Après, j'arrête le live.
The girl,
Ah, ok.
grown up, kicked open the door as if determined to destroy the business, and shattered every collection
C'est
in the shop
parti.
with her roaring fists.
Wait. What are you talking about? That was just a stunt to recruit family members.
Yeah. Anyway, according to the beautiful and kind shopkeeper, the heckler girl stormed in, acting tough. With one careless gesture, she knocked an invaluable treasure off the counter. The owner scrambled to save it before it hit the ground. Then she showered the shop with a bunch of flyers about the Colucci's hiring new staff members.
Come on, it wasn't that bad.
With no way to pay the staggering
Payer les
damages, the girl
dégâts.
was stuck working off her debt.
Ah, elle est bien, elle est trop forte.
The ragtag group at Avon
La protagoniste pour
really
raconter.
end up becoming her family. And no matter when, they'd go all in playing house with her. And all she could do is to repay in kind with all
J'adore.
her heart. Some of those at Avon aren't good with words,
Avon.
so she'd speak up in their place. When any of them felt sad, she'd spend the entire night with them, despite not being a drinker. When someone felt under the weather, she'd run to the pharmacy in a flash. When an otter had trouble dating, she
Sí.
did her best to be a wing woman. Even though she's reckless and always ends up causing trouble, she always does her best to protect her family, with or without throwing punches.
Then what does she swing her fists for?
For justice and for pure heroism. Though she gets defeated from time to time, the little heroine still has a lot of time and space to grow. She's still a kid after all. See the girl in the mirror? She's lost, afraid, timid, running to hide in an ocean. All because of one thing. She questions her motives, believing herself to be fake, terrible, and unfit to be the Ichidaime. Here, take a look at this. Turn the kaleidoscope, and it will show you the nature of things. Nanalie, look at your own heart.
Et ça sert à quoi le... Ça sert à quoi la fille à côté?
Nanalie,
Un kaléidoscope hypnotique du Sharingan. Yes. Et il reste les meilleurs ennemis du monde.
so it doesn't matter whether the blue
Ah
bag is
yes,
original.
on peut enfin jouer.
Just like your pure heart, it's the authenticity that matters. Why don't we go home together?
Bon, comment on sort? Ah voilà. J'imagine faut utiliser le kaléidoscope, c'est ça? Ah non, c'est pas ça. Ah non, c'est Jason.
Razor, can I still be the boss of the family? Even if I'm not strong enough? Or if my fists aren't fast
Allez.
enough?
Sure, boss.
Razor, can I still be the boss of the family? Even if there are things I can't grasp? And those who can't be made to stay?
Of course, boss.
Mais viens là. On se tient la main. Ah là c'est bon. Cool.
Razor,
Ah.
can I still be the boss of the family? Even if I'm this weird kid? Like, forever and ever and ever?
Sure thing, boss.
Elle veut être la chef quoi. On a compris je pense.
Razor, I can't go on anymore.
We're almost there. Just a few steps from leaving this place.
On revient sur nos pas.
I'm getting sleepy for no reason. I'll rely on you to take me home. Boss's orders.
Ah ben je crois qu'on est paumé. Ah.
Wake me up when I get back to able to see everyone and master.
Of course, boss.
Hop là, téléportation. Bah, elle est disparue Nathalie.
This is against the rules. She
C'est...
cannot pass.
Elle a pas le droit de partir. Ah,
Why?
time.
You were just telling me how to find my friend.
You can take away the other Nanalie, but not the real one. This one is haunted by worries
Ah.
about the future, unable to let go of her obsession with protecting
Ah, je vais faire un
and has
combat de
had to
boss.
face many heartbreaking farewells. She would have to face them if you bring her out. Isn't that too cruel?
This is Nanalie's life.
It's not. The other Nanalie, the one you're not bringing back, won't have such
Yes.
trouble.
Un combat de
She
boss.
left her obsessions here, so she won't be pressured out there. She won't have to make oaths bound to break, nor form bonds she can't afford to care about. She can be strong and free. Take the other Natalie out there for a new life. That would be best for all of you.
So you're saying the other one is not the real Natalie?
I promise. Other than those unnecessary burdens, everything else will remain unchanged.
You're the one who created the other Natalie. Did you also create all of this?
You can say that. The Corridor of Echoes is my projection. I am its creator. Here, dreamwalkers are drawn to the whirlpool and swept into the Corridor of Echoes, because they carry beliefs and ideals similar to mine. People want to escape from the present and an unpredictable future. That's why they come here, to seek the eternal peace of the past.
Ok.
Stripped of worry and forgetting everything, their doppelgangers return to the real world.
Je parle pas trop parce qu'il y a la cinématique.
And they spare loved
Allez.
ones the grief of losing them.
So, this is why, in the missing persons case the shopkeeper mentioned, those who returned came back changed.
You seem to be angry. Why?
You don't respect their wishes. You're imprisoning them here just because you think you're doing something good. In the south of Hethro is a vast ocean. When Natalie stepped into the water, she said each splash she experienced was unique. One cannot step into the same river twice. Time is the same way. Time must flow forward instead of chaining people to the past. If you created this place, you should know that Natalie's room holds records of everything that has happened since joining
Everything
Avon.
is awesome.
Yet you see those bonds as nothing but shackles. Between us, who is the cruel one?
I don't understand.
I'm sure you do. You just don't want to think about it. You can't stand the idea that your act of goodwill is nothing but selfishness.
Oh, le pouvoir de l'amitié.
Selfish. What do you know about me? Have you ever been through pains you couldn't face or losses you couldn't take back?
Of course they're allowed to run away. But that choice has to be made by themselves. They have to decide what kind of person they want to be and what kind of misfortunes they want to face. Natalie doesn't want the dead waters known as the past. She wants unique and ever-changing splashes. I promised the Ichidaime to bring her back. So please, step away.
Ah.
I'm sorry. The sailors here do not set sail. Even the boats in the sky can only sail into the past. I can't just bend the rules.
Allez. Un combat, un combat, un combat, on va un combat. Yes. Ah, let's go. Et le boss géant.
See lives. Why make them suffer?
Wesh.
Osaway desires to
Comment
become
je fais
a
pour...
shell of
Ah.
oneself.
Ah, ok.
Show you
Ça,
that Natalie is
ça y est, j'ai compris. En fait, c'est un peu du tennis.
Never sets.
Vous vo-
Neither does it rise here. Aren't you tired of this view?
Don't go. Stay.
Time. You created this space. Are you running away from something too?
I'm not running away. That's not true. It's safe here. No one gets hurt. My final friend gets to exist here in time.
If what you're doing makes you at ease, why is your voice trembling?
She... Stop!
R. I. Ok. Pourquoi j'ai la crémosa moi dans
I will
mon
see through
équipe?
the Nexus.
Pourquoi ces équipes de fous?
It's about time.
The cat never victory.
Let me take over. Let's finish this. Watch the timing. My mistake.
That is fine. Yo!
I will see.
Stay there.
The helm
Ah.
of Theseus. It won't allow rules to be broken.
Ouh!
It must sail to the past.
Dans le passé.
Does it make the rules? Or do you make the rules? I can
Allez.
bring you out, along with Natalie, the girl in the garden, and all the Dreamwalkers.
That won't do. The rules. The rules.
Ouais, oui. I.
Remember? When I first entered here, you told me the rules here don't apply to me.
Ah, c'est tous les ennemis qu'on a affrontés. Q. Mais j'ai appuyé sur Q. Ah, des fois ça bug, je sais pas pourquoi.
Past and the illusions that bind you. I'll shatter them all!
Au moins là il marche.
Here,
Ah, parce que... Ah ok, je vois. Vu qu'ils ont mis les touches anglophones.
If that helm can steer people to the path,
Ok, je crois qu'ils ont mis les touches anglophones. Vu que Q c'est A. QWERTY,
no more sailing into the past. All of you are meant to move on. Time. You should try like the others. Carry your anger, sadness, frustration, and regret. Then behold what lies ahead in those teared up eyes. Let's finish this.
Leave it. Don't run. Forgot to dodge.
The cat and mouse have your spoken states. Must not be.
Black Mimosa. Achoo. That hurts.
Let me take over.
Ça a un peu lagué. C'est normal.
Be careful.
Allez. Attaque.
I'll go home early today.
C'est le camion des Isekai, ça. Tu reconnais?
Words spoken aloud must be honored.
The villagers from Elderville. Are they your family?
They're all dead. A long time ago. I've always been thinking, why am I the only one who survived? Why can't I just die? Why am I different from the others?
Oh, God, you.
Oh god, dude.
Why does my heart hurt so much? What do I exist for in the world?
Ah, l'attaque.
Black Mimosa.
Allez. Le camion des Isekai.
I don't have an answer.
Go.
And I may not be qualified to respond. But bring that question with you. Meet different people. Step into their lives.
J'ai pas compris
Fight hero!
pourquoi ils l'ont mis niveau 52.
Let's confirm it. Blessing or a
Allez.
One day, you'll find an answer. Time. Once you leave this place, build a tomb for your family. Find a spot where the sun rises. A spot close to where they lived.
Where they lived.
yo. Tic tac toe.
Trust me.
Black Mimosa.
Pick up some of your own size.
Allez.
Feeling satisfied.
Yes! Let's go, on a gagné.
No more running away.
The projection is changing. Yes. We don't have to nullify her too.
Ah, il y a encore un Deus Ex Machina qui arrive. Machina.
projection was nullified? Natalie!
You did your job well, Daffodil. A helm to keep everyone trapped in the past, full of beautiful dreams. How wasteful it would be to simply change course.
The helm of Theseus. They took the helm. It hurts.
Le gouvernail de TV. Hehe,
Strange.
c'est le bateau.
Corridor of Echoes has been nullified. So why are these annoying flies still here? Does the master still pity her student?
That can't be right. I'm sure I...
Come back, good kiddo.
Daffodil! What are you doing? Daffodil! Natalie's been looking for you! You threatened Daffodil, took the helm away from time, and did a lot of bad things before this. What are you trying to achieve?
Threatened, you say? There seems to have been a misunderstanding. My sister here is simply bored of
Eh.
playing house. So she decided to return to her one true family.
Natalie, can you hear me? Natalie! She's not even awake yet.
Most of the things in the corridor should have been nullified along with my projections. This one is a fighter. The fact that you guided her real self just a while ago also caused half of her body and half of her soul to remain.
Hehe.
Half? That's why she's not in her right mind.
Protect Master.
You promised!
Zenko. You're smart and tougher than I thought. Down to the final move, you almost threw the chessboard into chaos. It's such a shame that this kid, Natalie, had too many weaknesses. Perhaps Daffodil doted on her too much.
I see now. You set Natalie up to visit Sunward to begin with. Isn't that right, philanthropisty Nana?
She was so depressed before her friend won the family ticket package. How fortunate.
You also set up the encounter with Teehee Bear.
That was a fun one. I had more uses for the bear, but you just had to break it.
Despicable.
Dear appraiser,
Despicable.
I prefer strategic. Well, that's the one thing I was looking for. Dealing with you is just...
Je pense que ça va bientôt être terminé, on va pouvoir faire des activités sympas, je pense.
Careful.
That isn't something you can take away. Give it back.
I apologize for almost forgetting you. In fact, I might have seen your face before. Did you ever participate in a game? Oh, my bad. That's not right. If I remember correctly, everyone in that village died.
You knew them? You were a participant! Wait, you were the one who got them killed!
Someone needs to take care of Time and Natalie. If Daffodil joins me to fight, we might have a chance. But now...
Hey, don't keep it my sis. Do you really think she'll go back to someone as useless as you lot?
Why would I believe anything spoken out of your mouth?
You just don't want to believe the truth. Didn't you enter Sister's room in the Corridor of Echoes?
Daffodil's room?
The garden, the clean and marvelous rooms. That was our home.
Yeah.
We used to sleep on the same bed when we were young. We woke up together each day, combed each other's hair, patched up each other's wounds in the night. And when the moon shone on Sister's skin,
That little girl was Daffodil? The mother she mentioned was Inanna?
Ouais, c'est ça.
Daffodil hated her, but she still returned the Scarlet Letter. It just doesn't add up.
Je pense, à
Draco,
mon
that's
avis.
enough. You
C'est
have
ça.
plenty of time to talk
Ça
about the
suffit.
old days. The game is about to begin. We have no time to waste. Daffodil, as I promised, you're allowed to spare that little dream-walking tiger. As for the other one, you know what to do.
Twisty twist!
When did I... Wait, Twisty shared memories, and I met some at the Sunward Resort.
Leave now!
Parfait. On y est. C'est parti. Où est le chemin du retour? Bah, je crois qu'on a sauté. 0%. On dirait c'est aussi long que les téléchargements Netflix. Hein. Allez, 24. Normalement, on va faire 1h20 de live, vu que j'ai lancé un peu plus tard que 30. J'ai lancé à 40. Ah bah la musique est de retour.
The dockyard? We're out?
Praiser? Hey, can you hear me?
Sakiri, everyone.
We couldn't find you, so we called Mint. Luckily, she helped find.
Coco, you're here all of a sudden. I was scared. I was trying to contact you with Chupa, but it never worked. How is Nanalie and this unknown lady doing?
let me see.
Hattori.
What? Half a soul? Are you serious? Nanalie, I owe you an apology. I won't allow you to refuse it. Just wake up already.
Let's go back to A-Bone and let them take a break.
Ouais. Une nouvelle recrue. C'est parti, let's go. T'as Guido qui court. Et ils sont pénibles avec leur temps de chargement quand même. Ah. Le lion est mort ce soir. Dans la jungle, terrible jungle, le lion est mort ce soir. Je crois qu'on a fait le tour. Une fois Nadali et Tim installés autre.
Did Daffodil really go back to the Scarlet Letter?
Impossible. If that's true,
What are you going to do about it? The choice is hers. We can only respect that. All of us have absolute agency.
It's complicated. I can't really explain, but Daffodil must have had a reason.
I can tell you believe in her.
Everyone here believes her, especially Natalie. That's why I felt something was off. Could Daffodil really have nullified the projections of time so carelessly? After all, Natalie and other innocent people were still there. What does Daffodil really want?
First and foremost, we need to help Natalie recover.
You take care of her. I'll try to find a way. Family members are supposed to help each other, aren't they?
Family? Since when did I see Abon as my anchor too? My past is a blank slate, yet I can still find the courage to face current and future challenges. I still don't get this. If the Corridor of Echoes only opens itself to those with something to avoid, how did I even get in? I don't recall running away from something, but who am I?
Precious? You're spacing out. You must be tired. It's late now. Get some good sleep.
Surtout que la musique est de retour.
The moth has flown away. I can't believe that one is still alive.
You don't want to worry too much. The gardener has been deployed.
There's a new lead?
Mm-hmm.
Alpha.
The ants are carrying scattered fruit back to their nest. Many dusty scales of the moth have fallen too.
Very well. I'll wait for your good news.
Super. Je pense que en parlant à Otori, on va faire le point.
Oh, Tori, looking for me?
I wanted to tell you that Time is feeling much better. Although the projections of her mind have been nullified, she's not affected that much.
That's good to know. But what about the Dreamwalkers in the Corridor of Echoes? They were the missing persons. What happened to them?
You should know that Time is not human. She's an object anomaly taking the shape of a human. We call someone like her a dimension visitor. The name refers to an ancient nautical astrolabe used to find one's direction across different dimensions. The human form she takes is from her last contracted partner, Time.
So she took the form of her contracted partner.
Antique anomalies like her tend to be more spiritual. When someone pours their emotions into them, a self-awareness shaped by that person may be born, taking on their appearance. This happens more than you can imagine.
Inherit the looks and the name of the family member, and live for her. Then, what was this game she was talking about? Inanna seemed to know about it. Could it be related to the Scarlet Letter's plans?
The game. Oh, by the way, there's a letter from Sunward. It's for you. Let's see. Where did I put it? Oh, did you make a friend there?
It's from Eroy.
I asked Adler about the missing Natalie and learned of the current situation. I wanted to help, so I sewed a pink tiger like the one Natalie carries as a gift to wish her well. I hope she recovers soon.
Is this art?
C'est de là.
Let me hand them over to Natalie.
Parfait. Rendre visite à Natalie. J'espère que c'est fini. Après, comme ça, on peut faire un karaoké.
Perfect angle.
Il faut vraiment que j'améliore mon art oratoire, moi. Oh, je sais! Tous les soirs, à partir de maintenant, je vais faire des discours politiques pour sauver l'ergonomie.
Natalie, tread in the water to see who makes the bigger splash. Adler will set up tents and barbecues, and we'll make your favorite double patty meat pies with cheese. Tagito and Sakiri will play beach volleyball. You'll have to be Tagito's teammate for a fair game, because Hiromaru would be helping Sakiri. The shopkeeper
Je vais même faire un calendrier Twitch.
Edgar will build the most grand and magnificent sandcastle. Daffodil would be back, and she wants to teach you about sandboxing. And Boss Tiger, he'll be sitting next to you, waiting for the sun to rise.
Sunrise.
Yep, sunrise. The sun will rise high, very high.
Ah bah voilà, j'ai fini. Ah, ça fait du bien de finir une quête. C'est long, hein. On va faire le tirage de Porsche. Ça vous dit? Moi, ça me dit. Dimanche, lundi, mardi, mercredi.
Another new day. What should we do today?
Allez. Une bonne récompense, j'espère le skin. Ah, ce sera pas le skin. Ce sera les ligues. Alors, il reste deux ça. De ça. Là, il reste que les légendaires après. Ah ouais, yes. Il y a 3 lettres écrites à la main pour... Ah malheureusement, mon casque s'est cassé aujourd'hui à cause de mon chat qui... Du coup, je peux pas entendre ta voix. Ce serait génial de me répondre à chat. Hey! Mais tu peux pas mettre en haut-parleur? Tu... Point d'interrogation. Ah, parce que si je fais un live muet, ça va être compliqué. 500 d'annulites. Autant croire au Père Noël alors. Bon, on fait un petit tirage et après... Espérons... Bon, c'est pas maintenant qu'on aura... Encore mint. Oh, c'est pénible. Bon. Bah c'est bon, j'ai fini ça. Il nous reste 15 minutes du coup. Désolé, je n'ai pas d'enceinte. J'utilise pas mon téléphone. Je sais pas si tu peux mettre des sous-titres en direct. Ah oui, tu peux mettre des sous-titres. Bien et toi? Je sais pas si tu peux mettre des sous-titres en direct. Je vais regarder sur OBS si tu peux. Les sous-titres. Euh... Pas... Pas forcément. Là... On se... Oui. Bon, alors, je vais essayer de transcrire ma voix, mais je sais pas comment on fait. Bon, je vais faire un karaoké alors. Il me semble que je suis abonné à Carafen. Le Sud, corps à corps. Excuse-moi, partenaire. Oh purée, ce rêve bleu, pourquoi pas. Allez. Oh non, 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 je veux pas chanter ça, moi. Dis-moi, dis-moi. Je sais pas si on peut mettre une transcription en direct. Comment trouver des streams avec des sous-titres Mais je sais pas si tu peux activer les sous-titres. Bon, de toute façon, c'est pas grave. Bon, on va chanter Code Lyotko. Yes. Allez, c'est parti. Dernier pour les 5 dernières minutes. Ouais, ça a l'air bien ça. Bah. Bon, je regarderai après le chat. Ah. Non. Pas intéressé. Bon, allez. Je peux pas répondre. Il existe un monde. Ah, mais il y a les paroles. Il y a les. Il chante, il chante, il chante, il chante. Wesh. Est-ce qu'il parle dans celui-là? Il existe un monde virtuel et différent, où chaque seconde fait de nous des combattants. Notre seul espoir est de tout reprogrammer. On ira, on saura sauver notre existence, se donner une chance de tout effacer. On ira, on saura sauver notre existence pour refaire un monde sans danger. Que Dieu que tout reprogrammer. Que Dieu que un monde sans danger. Que Dieu que tout reprogrammer. Que Dieu que un monde sans danger. Tout est numérique et pixelisé dans ce monde. Il nous faudra du courage et de l'entraide. Mais dites-vous bien que l'on risque notre vie. On ira, on sera, sauver notre existence, se donner une chance de tout effacer. On ira, on sera, sauver notre existence pour refaire un monde sans danger. Que Dieu peut tout reprogrammer. Que Dieu peut un monde sans danger. Que Dieu peut tout reprogrammer. Que Dieu peut un monde sans danger. On vous promet, je donnais le maximum contre la menace et de sauver tous les hommes. On ira, on sera, sauver notre existence, se donner une chance de tout effacer. On ira, on sera, sauver notre existence pour refaire un monde sans danger. Que Dieu peut tout reprogrammer. Que Dieu peut un monde sans danger. Que Dieu peut tout reprogrammer. Que Dieu peut un monde sans danger. Voilà, c'est Absolute Cinéma ça. Je publierai l'extrait sur TikTok. Oh purée. Oh non, pas ça, pas le Titanic. Ah vas-y, je chante ça. Every night in my dream. Je sais pas moi, il me demandait des trucs, je suis pas un tuto internet moi. Ah désolé, j'étais perdu dans mes pensées. Bon allez, c'est parti. On va titaniquer ça. Non, on dit pas ça. Every night in my dreams, I see you. I feel you, that is all I know you. Go on. Far across the distance and space between us, you have come to show you. Go on. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the heart does go on. Once more, you open the door, and you're here in my heart, and my heart will go on and on. Love can touch us for time and last for a lifetime and never let's go till we're gone. Love was when I love you one true time and how to in my life will always go on. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the others go on. Once more, you open the door, and you hear in my heart, and my heart will go on and on. Ah, c'est génial de chanter Titanic en live. Le Titanic a coulé. You're here, there's nothing I feel, and I know that my heart will go on. We'll stay forever this way. You are safe in my heart, and my heart will go on and go. Ah, c'est long. Oh, vas-y, je fais next en karaoké et je le mets sur TikTok. Comme ça fera 3 extraits de live karaoké. C'est génial. Je chante trop bien, n'est-ce pas? Ah, je sais. Vous allez voir. Next karaoké. Je sais pas s'il y a un karaoké à Next, mais bon. Non. Mais il faut que je mette funk. Ah. Nobatito. Bon, ben, on chante. Je suis nul en espagnol, par contre. Oh, I'm blue, ça. Pas pouté. Non. J'ai pas envie de faire de la peine aux gens. Attends, j'étais pas prêt, chef. El EAD, sobe, no baile paso, inadinde peligrosa, rúbame el corazón, va quicando, actuando, naok perdi arso, no batito, sopra tensa se atoe, EAD, sobre, no baile, pesani, midai, la peligrosa, rúbame el corazón, EAD, sobre, Somebody eso, Mindarita peligrosa, no corazón, el aso, no vale el paso, Mindarita peligrosa, vamos mi corazón, va quicando, va quibando, Linda peligrosa, una menu corazón helades, una linda peligrosa, un menu corazón helades, SOB, no vale, una linda peligrosa, un menu corazón, va cliquando, va qui rangona. Oh, nobody. Allez, c'est parti. Outro. Bon, sur ce, mes amis, je vais devoir vous laisser pour justement faire le montage de cette masterclass. Moi je vous dis à très vite, c'était Lucatore. Et je vous ai dit que j'étais nul en espagnol. Bon, allez, à plus. Attends, comment on coupe le live?